Is it time to buy or sell Intuitive Machines stock? In this video, we will explore Intuitive Machines in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 12th of September, 2025. And now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 12th of September, 2025, our system has categorized Intuitive Machines as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.72. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock currently sits at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which may present a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $8.21 is breached, it will likely indicate a more pronounced downward movement. Analyzing the current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately negative 19.14% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 24.39% and positive 8.26%. When we extend our view to the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 7.37%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary significantly, ranging from negative 61.30% to positive 131.64% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $3.40 and $20.34. Our latest daily update for Intuitive Machines includes the headline, Intuitive Machines Inc. stock upgraded to hold accumulate. The stock price of Intuitive Machines Inc. increased by 3.05% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 12th of September, 2025. The price rose from $8.52 to $8.78. On that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.74%. Ranging from a low of $8.46 to a high of $8.94. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 7 instances, resulting in an overall decrease of 1.35% during this period. Notably, the trading volume increased on the previous day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with an additional 17,000 shares traded compared to the day before. In total, 5 million shares exchanged hands for approximately $40,130,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24.95, while the lowest was $5.34. Currently, the price stands at 64.81%, or $16.17, below the 52-week high, and 93.54%, or $127.22, below the all-time high recorded on the 22nd of February, 2023, when the price peaked at $136. Intuitive Machines, ticker LUNR, is facing challenges following a series of headlines from August. The company reported a second quarter loss of 11 cents per share, falling short of expectations while demonstrating softer revenue and negative margins. In response, management announced a private offering of convertible senior notes totaling approximately $300 million, priced at 2.5% and maturing in 2030. This offering includes an option that could increase the total to around $345 million, with a conversion strike in the low teens per share. This news led to a significant sell-off in shares, resulting in a decline of roughly 10 percentage points. Analysts have adjusted their targets downward, cautioning that although the balance sheet has improved, risks remain due to execution gaps, mission delays, and cost overruns. In the short term, this combination of factors contributes to volatility. The risks of dilution and earning shortfalls may sustain selling pressure and widen the bid-ask spreads. Over the longer term, the narrative will hinge on execution. if operational issues are addressed and the backlog converts into profitable contracts. The new capital provides a runway for growth and upside potential. Conversely, if challenges continue, capital raises could dilute existing shareholders and compress valuations. Investors should keep a close eye on cash burn, the achievement of milestones, and improvements in margins. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 18th of August, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned LUNR a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned LUNR a neutral rating with an initialized recommendation. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned LUNR an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned LUNR a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned LUNR a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Intuitive Machines stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also assign a strong sell rating to this stock. The following signals have been identified for Intuitive Machines. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 10th of September, 2025, and so far, it has risen approximately 5.78%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising in conjunction with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, and these may influence the near-term development. The stock of Intuitive Machines, Incorporated, holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, yet simultaneously, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative forecast. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $9.65. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the stock will find support from the short-term average at $8.48. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, thereby strengthening the general signal. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 37 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 27 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 15 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intuitive Machines. Intuitive Machines Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $8.69. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 485 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, representing a movement of 5.74%. In the past week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 4.51%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Intuitive Machines, let's briefly review some key fundamental data. First, there's the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios could suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at a loss of 4 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for intuitive machines. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for intuitive machines is at $8.99. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intuitive Machines encounters its first support level at $8.69. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intuitive Machines from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 24th of August, 2025, Vontor Steven executed an insider sale of 1,827 shares of Class A common stock. On the 28th of July, 2025, Ghaffarian Kamal Sayed executed an insider sale of 40,254 shares of Class C common stock. On the 28th of July, 2025, Ghaffarian Kamal Sayed also executed an insider sale of 40,254 shares of common units. On the same day, Ghaffarian Kamal Sayed executed an insider purchase of 40,254 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 28th of July, 2025, Ghaffarian Kamal Sayed conducted an insider sale of 40,254 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 13.244. In total, insiders acquired 13,523,692 shares and sold 18,089,495 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.42, reflecting a decrease of 4.12%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 2 days ago. Is Intuitive Machines stock a good buy? Intuitive Machines Inc. shows several positive indicators, but we believe these are not sufficient to classify it as a strong buy at this time. Currently, it's better viewed as a hold candidate, meaning you might consider maintaining or accumulating your position while waiting for further developments. Our analysis has been updated from a sell recommendation to a hold since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 15th of September, we anticipate that Intuitive Machines will open lower by 5.5 cents, beginning trading at $8.73. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.